their small size allows them to be brought close to the body if necessary to help reduce drag during high speeds. Okay, use scissors to carefully cut through the mantle from the collar to the apex near the fins. The mantle is a thick, tough covering. How might this be beneficial to the squid? Good job on the characteristics. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the directional terms that will be used throughout the dissection. Lift the body wall with forceps and free it from the soft internal tissues. We will actually be tracing the digestive system from the end to the beginning. Place them on the specimen tray. Locate the siphon again.